Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing what you will analyze and the tools you'll use. Install Python and Jupyter, then make a virtual environment to isolate packages. Place CSV or JSON files into a single data/folder so imports stay consistent. Once the environment is active, pip install pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, and any connector libraries. Make a requirements. TXT to lock versions. This prevents reproducibility issues and lets you share the notebook without surprises when others run your cells. Next, construct the notebook as a readable pipeline. Begin with a single import cell, then load a small sample to confirm schemas before scaling up. Clean data in focus cells, handle nulls, normalize types, and drop or flag outliers with reproducible code. Once cleaned, write modular analysis functions and run them on full data. Use Markdown to explain the why behind each step and keep outputs concise so the narrative remains easy to follow rather than an overwhelming stream of raw prints. To finish, parameterize key values in a top config cell and set random seeds for reproducible results. Produce clean visualizations and summary tables, then export the notebook to HTML or PDF for stakeholders and save the IPN for collaborators. Once done, run the notebook in a fresh environment to validate the requirements. TXT. If an error appears, check package version mismatches first and confirm file paths. This is the most common issue and often resolves by syncing the virtualenv or correcting relative paths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.